Apple is sitting right at a decision zone. This level has already rejected price before, and if it fails again, there could be a sharp move lower. We break these setups down live every day, so be sure to join the Discord/Patreon. Links down are below. Now, let's read this chart together. We have a really big move lower that's continuing to press down lower and lower in a cascading fashion. Now, in this situation, this basically tells us we're looking for 1 to 2, maybe even 3 scenarios, okay? The first one, most ideal, is that we actually just end up bouncing, right above this pivot swing high at right around 250, and then we can look for now a return back to the downside, okay? Ideally, the major objective is still going to be this 246, almost a quarter. So just be aware that we could end up extending, going lower, hitting that level just underneath us. All right. Now, other than this scenario, just be aware that we could go lower. And if we still do go lower, we would still be expecting this sort of pullback. Okay. So even if we go lower to directly higher, this is the general concept that we're going to stay with. Now, other than this variation, just be aware in order to be a buyer, you're going to want to see that the market actually breaks through going up one more leg higher, okay? If that's the case, then the market is now actually telling you that it's shifting its momentum in the favor of bullishness. And in that situation, you are now looking to dip buy, going all the way back up to the pivots above us. And the major one is going to be right there at that 254 3/4, okay? So it's definitely possible that the market could turn around, but it will take a bit of doing, seeing that even the, a pullback here is still going to be looked to be sold upon. Now, other than these two variations, the last one that I think you need to be aware of is the fact that we could range. Now, if we end up just kind of consolidating here overnight or even through the session, because this is a cash market, we would be now expecting that this is actually a range environment, which means that it's the first thing you need to do basically is look at the prevailing trend. Okay, the prevailing trend is clearly going to be bearish into this range. So that means we should see a fake breakout to the upside. Ultimately, now we can sell that all the way to the downside. Okay. Now in this situation here, highlighted in yellow, if I kind of get rid of a few things, we would be expecting it to be a range, like I said before. So we can figure out that the midpoint, let's just say, is somewhere right here. And then now we can use the distance of the swing above to figure out the exact measurement for that swing below. Okay, so it should all line up to roughly that 246, but we will have to kind of navigate it in real time. All right. So as always, everyone, if this sounds like this is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. It helps me out a ton with the channel, more than you think. And if you want to see me trade these setups live every single day, then join the Patreon/Discord. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you on the next candle.